Welcome to The Junction, located at 475 Lancaster West, Kitchener. Conveniently accessible to Uptown Waterloo and Downtown Kitchener. Renovated corridors with modern ceramics and finishes and an enclosed laundry room with new appliances eliminates inconvenient trips to the laundromat. At 880 square feet, these two-bedroom units offer plenty of storage, a large living space, rich, dark laminate floors, and a sleek in-wall fireplace. Escape into the luxurious comforts of your own private sanctuary. A galley-style kitchen features brand new stainless steel appliances, designer high-gloss shaker-style cabinetry, and a gooseneck faucet. Every detail was considered, from new hardware to a classic subway-style tile, perfect for entertaining friends. Two bright, spacious, well-proportioned bedrooms offer ample closet and desk space without compromising your comfort, creating the perfect setup for roommates or a young professional. A full bathroom offers a soaker tub and is finished with modern ceramics. The Junction at 475 Lancaster West, Kitchener. Affordable, convenient, and luxurious.